Today we are comparing Flowise 3.0 and n8n, two powerful workflow automation tools, and we are doing it in under 3 minutes. So let's get straight into it. What is Flowise 3.0? Flowise 3.0 is an open source low code platform mainly focused on building AI agents and workflows. It is designed for people who want to create and deploy chatbots, RAG pipelines, and AI apps without writing tons of code. The new 3.0 update made it more stable, added better integrations with LLMs, and improved drag and drop workflow building. What is n8n? n8n, on the other hand, is also an open source workflow automation tool, but it is much more general purpose. Think of it like a competitor to Zapier or Make, but self-hostable and way more comfortable and flexible. You can connect APIs, automate tasks, and even run code inside your workflows. It is not limited to AI, but you can integrate AI tools inside it too. Key differences. So the main key differences, Flowise 3.0 is specialized in AI apps. If your main focus is AI chatbots, vector databases, or LM workflows, Flowise is the easier choice. n8n is broader and more flexible. It is great for connecting services, automating business processes, or even mixing AI with non-AI tasks. In short, Flowise equal AI first, n8n equal everything automation. Which one to use? If you are building an AI-powered product or a chatbot, go with Flowise 3.0. If you want an all-around automation tool for APIs, business workflows, and some AI sprinkled in, n8n is the better bet. And that is it, Flowise versus n8n in less than 3 minutes. Which one should you use? Let me know down below in the comments, and do not forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new comparison video.